In this beginner tap dance lesson tutorial, you'll learn a practice exercise combination focused on the step a buffalo. If you're new here, I'm Rod from UnitedTaps.com, helping people just like you be happier and healthier through tap dance. Without further ado, let's jump in. Starting with the right foot, you have one buffalo, big toe step, one buffalo, hold, stamp, stamp, stamp. I'm going to show that again. 6, ready, go. One buffalo, big toe step, one buffalo, and hold, stamp, stamp, stamp. Hardest thing to do in tap dance is to actually hold and not make a sound. So if that's the struggle, that's normal. Again from the top. 6, ready, go. 1 and a 2, 3 and 4, 5 and a 6, hold 7 and 8 and. Now we're going to do a buffalo on the left foot. Left buffalo, big toe step, followed by stamp, clap, clap, stamp, clap, clap, stamp. I'm going to do that left side again. That's left buffalo, big toe step, stamp, clap, clap, stamp, clap, clap, stamp. How about one more time? 6, ready, go. Left buffalo, big toe step, stamp, clap, clap, stamp, clap, clap, stamp. Beautiful, my friends. Let's take it from the top. 6, 7, 8, one buffalo, big toe step, one buffalo, and hold. Stamp, 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 one buffalo, big toe step, stamp, clap, clap, stamp, clap, clap, stamp. Now the tricky spot is going from hold, stamp, stamp, stamp into that left buffalo. Let's practice that transition from the hold and 3 stamps going immediately into the left foot buffalo. So I'll give you some counts and we'll hold. We're going to go 6, 7, and 8, and. So after I say 7, we're going to go and 8, and then directly into the left buffalo. 5, 6, 7, and 8, and left buffalo. Let's try that again. 5, 6, 7, and 8, and left buffalo. One more time. 5, 6, 7, and 8, and one buffalo. That should help smooth out that transition. Let's go again from the top. 6, ready, go. One buffalo, big toe step, one buffalo, and hold, and 8, and one buffalo, big toe step, stamp, clap, clap, stamp, clap, clap, stamp. Super, my friends. We're going to try it again. 5, 6, ready, go. One buffalo, big toe step, one buffalo, and hold. Stamp, 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 one buffalo, big toe step, stamp, clap, clap, stamp, clap, clap, stamp. From here, right foot's free. Dig, dig, step, step, right buffalo. Dig, dig, step, step, stamp, step, stamp. I'm going to show that again. Ready, go. Dig, dig, step, step, right buffalo. Dig, dig, step, step, stamp, step, stamp. One more time, my friends. Same spot. 6, ready, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and a 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Now our left foot's free. From here we do dig, dig, step, step, left buffalo, followed by stamp, step, stamp, step, stamp. I'm going to do that whole left side for the ending. 6, left side, go. Dig, dig, step, step, left buffalo, stamp, step, stamp, step, stamp. I think we should try that again. 5, 6, ready, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and a 4, 5, 6, and 8. Beautiful. Let's rewind to when the right foot started with dig, dig, step, step, right buffalo. Then it went dig, dig, step, step, stamp, step, stamp. That's when we switched over to left foot. Dig, dig, step, step, left buffalo. Then stamp, step, stamp, step, stamp. We're going to do that whole chunk together. I'm going to count you in. Here we go. 5, 6, ready, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and a 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and a 4, 5, 6 and 8. Super! We're going to try that a couple more times. Same spot. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and a 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and a 4, 5, 6 and 8. Beautiful. One more time. Just that chunk. You got this. 5, 6, ready, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and a 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and a 4, 5, 6 and 8. Beautiful. Now the $1,000,000 question. How did it all start? Don't worry, I got you back. Way back, the beginning was, we did right buffalo, big toe step, right buffalo, and hold, stamp, stamp, stamp. Left buffalo, big toe step. Then we did stamp, clap, clap, stamp, clap, clap, stamp. That was the whole first half. If you forgot it, you're normal. If you remembered it, you're special. Here we go. We're going to do that just the first half again. 5, 6, ready, go. Right buffalo, big toe step, right buffalo, and hold, stamp, stamp, stamp. Left buffalo, big toe step, and stamp, clap, clap, stamp, clap, clap, stamp. That is when you'll transition into the second half. Dig, dig, step, step, right buffalo, and so forth. We're going to go from top again. This time I'm going to keep going all the way through the second half to the end. You can do it, right? Here we go. From the beginning. 6, ready, go. Right buffalo, big toe step, right buffalo, and hold. Stamp, stamp, stamp. Left buffalo, big toe step, stamp, clap, clap. Here comes the second half. Dig, dig, step, step, right buffalo. Dig, dig, step, step, stamp, step, stamp. Left. Dig, dig, step, step, left buffalo. Stamp, step, stamp, step, stamp. Hopefully you made it. If you had some trouble, that's normal, no worries. We're going to try that all again. I'm going to put some counts on it this time. Good luck. 5, 6, ready, go. 1 and a 2, 3 and 4, 5 and a 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and a 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and a 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and a 4, 5, 6 and 8. Super, my friends. Let's try it one more time and see how it goes. Good luck. 5, 6, ready, go. How'd you do? I didn't say the counts or the words. I just wanted you to be able to hear the feet and tap along. I'll do one extra just in case that was rough. You're like, hey, where'd the counts go, Rob? No worries. We'll do one more round. Again, but I'm not going to do any counts or words. See if you can just follow along with the feet and the rhythm. 5, 6, ready, go. Well, if you're having a good time, please hit that like, subscribe, and notification bell, and take a quick moment to drop a comment down below. Anything you write is helpful to us. I'll give you a second to do it now. Well, thank you so much. I appreciate it. If you enjoyed that combination, try this next one. And if you want to keep going with it and get a whole bunch more practice exercise combinations, just click in the link in the description below. I'll see you there at unitedtaps.com. Spank, step, heel, practice exercise. Starting with the right foot, you have 2 even spank, step, heels. And 1 and 2 and 3 plus 2 stamps. Then do it again. And 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Great. Let's take it from top. 6, beginning, go. And 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. From here, we're going to do 4 even spank step heels, followed by 4 stamps. Let's give it a shot. New part, ready, go. and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Let's try that new part one more time. 6, ready, go. And 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Beautiful. Let's go from top. 6, ready, go. And 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. From here, repeat the beginning. And the beginning was and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Great. Let's take it from top and add on that repeat section. Here we go. 6, ready, beginning. And 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and